Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create rolling and credits with Capcut application. Okay, let's get into it. Before you create the rolling and credit, you have to select a background for your credit. And here I have added my black background for the rolling ends credit. Then after that, we can add the text to our video. Click on the text option, click on add text, and here we can add the credits. And I have copied my credit to the clipboard, so right now I'm just going to paste this credit. Okay, and I'm going to create rolling and credit with this one, and we can click on this check mark, and we can use the keyframe feature to create the rolling effect. But before it, I'm going to zoom out. Okay, oops. We can adjust the position first, and we're going to make it as text align with the video, and we can use the keyframe. Guys, this is the keyframe feature, and we're going to make the rolling effect with this feature. I'm going to, for the first position, I'm going to drag this text to the bottom like this, and click on the keyframe. And the second position, we can place the separator right here, and I'm going to drag it up like this. Okay, I think it's enough. Then now the keyframe has been automatically added to the text, and this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can create rolling and credits with CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.